Good evening, TikTokers. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to give you a quick, what would it be, Wednesday night update. Went ahead and painted the passenger side engine of the engine block. Got it all looking really good. It's drying. Got it all dialed in up here. Back of the engine's done. And then the cold side, the driver's side is done as well, as far as paint. I did go ahead and get the fuel rail installed with I painted the bolts, bolt heads and whatnot, got it bolted up. I'm waiting to do some of the other stuff just because I'm out of time. It's like 9:42 at night right now. I need to clean all of this up, this wiring mess, and get it bolted back on here, and then start hooking the fleece fuel filter delete and so on and so forth. Get all that hooked up, and the high pressure line, and just the stuff that I have. I am waiting on a couple things. I ordered the line that goes to the fuel filter delete that comes around here and goes in the back of the head here. I ordered that line. That was the like $160 line. So I got that coming. So that'll finish the fuel filter delete. And tomorrow I'm going to order, hopefully, get the Mishimoto transmission oil cooler, torque converter oil cooler ordered, and get it here. And the line, this is one of the lines that I refurbished, but I also need the line that goes to here, which is the one that rotted off. So got to get that, and then that'll finish that. And then I ordered a thermostat. It should be coming in this week. We'll get that in, an OEM Cummins thermostat. And I'll probably order quite a few other parts, to be honest. But for now, as far as right this second on Wednesday night, that's what I know I'm ordering. Because I want to finish up as much of the cold side as I can, minus injectors and so on. I kind of want to get this reassembled and kind of get it figured out. I'll probably go ahead and order motor and tranny mounts, because they're dirt cheap, and get those here and get them on, which would be these guys here, and get the new ones on there and get that over with. And then, yeah, so baby steps, boys, but we're getting there. Really busy tomorrow. My mother-in-law's having an operation, big operation done tomorrow. I got to get up at 2 a.m. and go pick her up and have her down in Tampa by 5:30 and all the things. But so I'm not sure how much you'll get tomorrow, if anything. But definitely Friday I'll be right back out here working on this, and hopefully have some parts showing up and get some things bolted onto this and so on. My dad did get a lot of the Lance truck camper bracing and all that hooked up. Here's some of the spacers that he's got painted, sitting here drying. He's in a really good place with that. He should be finishing that up hopefully tomorrow. We do need to go to the metal fabrication place, the welding shop, where we buy our metal and get basically 2 feet of 2 3/16. So square tubing. That way we can do the little stubby 1 foot on each side that the bar slides into for the fronts for the Lance truck camper tie down deal. Once we get that, we can get those welded on, and then we're cooking with hot grease. So that's where we're at, boys. Now I will paint the front of the engine once I get all of these parts in and all this stuff off of here, and I can actually get to it. There will be a day here coming up soon where I'll have the water pump off, alternator, the belt tensioner, all that'll be off, and then I can get in there and get everything painted up, thermostat housing, and so on and so forth. So still got some painting to do there, but we got plenty of paint left. If you are going to paint your diesel and you're wondering if this stuff's any good, it seems to be. It seems to be thicker than normal pour 15. But I bought a pint, 16 fluid ounces, 1 pint, and I've still got about half of this left. And that's after doing a 5.9 diesel, and I didn't sit there and skimp on it. I put it on. So, you know, if you're into a small block Chevy or something, that's probably plenty. Just do a pint. You don't need a quart of that stuff for the engine anyway. So, food for thought. But anyway, boys, that's what I got for you. Hope you guys are having a great night, and might be back tomorrow, but definitely back on Friday. Hopefully with some good news and parts ordered, and show you guys some more progress on this cold side of the engine over here, and just getting everything hooked back up and all that. So stay tuned, and we'll be back as soon as we can.